Hello and welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you the simple oven baked chin chin or Achomo recipe. It's so quick, and with few ingredients you are going to achieve this deliciousness. If you're new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell as well, and be notified anytime I post a new video. Let's get started. To my mixing bowl, I'm going to be adding in my flour, and I'm using all-purpose flour for this recipe. Moving forward, I'll go in with my sugar, nutmeg. Next, I'll go in with my baking powder. Moving forward, I'll also go in with my salted butter, and since I use salted butter, I'll not be going in with any salt. Also, feel free to go in with some salt if you taste for it and it's not enough for you. Okay, I will mix all the ingredients together until everything is nice and well incorporated. But I realized my butter was a little bit small for me, so I went in with about 1 tablespoon. And don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything I use in this recipe in the description box for you to check it out. And after mixing to get a perfect consistency like this, I'll then go ahead and add in my vanilla essence. This is totally optional, but trust me, when you add it to it, it's going to make your Achomo really taste really good. Stir everything well and go in with some water. If you don't want to use water and you want to go in with some milk, feel free to use this. This is totally to your taste. And always make sure to go in with the water little by little until you achieve the perfect consistency. So now let's mix everything until the dough comes out from the bowl very nicely. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Alright, so after mixing the dough, this is how it's supposed to look like. As you can see, it has come out from the bowl very nicely, and that is what we're looking for. So moving forward, I'm going to be rolling out the dough to get a perfect size that I want. So after rolling out the dough very nicely, just the way you see it on the screens right now, I'm going to be using my knife to trim off the edges to get a perfect size, and I'll use my knife as well to section them into the sizes that I want. If you want to use your scissors as well, go ahead and use it, and it works perfectly fine as well. So I used both the scissors and the knife to demonstrate to you how you can do it, but trust me, I preferred both methods, but the scissors works perfectly fine for me. Just in case you have a very soft dough, then trust me, the scissors is going to work perfectly for you. Okay, so now let's cut it until we achieve the perfect size that you want. Whilst that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. And if you haven't given me a thumbs up yet, what are you waiting for? Do like this video, share this video as well to reach wider audience. Thank you so much for your support. Whilst that is done, I'm going to be baking this in my oven for about 160 degrees Celsius for 10 to 20 minutes. All right, and afterward, this is the end results. As you can see, it turned out so good. I really love how golden it turned out, and for the taste, fam, this was super delicious. I was so amazed, and everybody in the house really enjoyed it as well. I hope you're going to try this for your family, and trust me, they are going to love it. Just let me know what you think about this chin chin or Achomo recipe in the comment section, and I will be waiting for you to read all your beautiful comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. Bye bye and stay blessed.
God bless you.